Hey Divas, long time no talk. I am back with a new video. Today I am doing a video featuring these Just4Kira contact lenses. This company reached out to me on Instagram, wanted me to review a few of their contacts. So I got to choose about $200 worth of contacts, so I'm pretty hype about that. They are prescription, so I will get to rock these all the time because you guys know I wear glasses now. Let's address the elephant in the room. Your girl has braces. Yes, I just got these braces in June and I plan on wearing them just for a couple of months. I'm supposed to get them taken off hopefully this month or September. I'm in a wedding in September, so I'm hoping I can get them off this month. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how that journey goes. But today we are going to try on some contacts by Just4Kira. And they have some nice instructions on how to apply and wear your contacts if you're not sure how to wear them. They show you how to remove them, how to store them, and all of that good stuff. They also provided cases, and inside the case it has tools that you can use to help you better apply your contacts. So inside this case is a contact lens case. I'm gonna open it up. It comes with a case for your contacts. Inside it's built in, and then they also have tweezers that you can pick your contacts up with, and they also have the applier where you can the applicator, of course left and right, and you would just go get your contact and pop it in like that. I really like this case. It's very efficient. I like how the contacts, it allows you to put your solution in there, and then you can keep the tools all in one kit, put it in your purse, and you're on your way. So these are the colors that I got, and I'm super hyped because my prescriptions, I'm -2.00 in this eye, -1.00 in this eye. So I was able to buy my prescription for both eyes. They're separate prescriptions. The website was super easy to navigate, and I really love the company's Instagram because you can actually see real life people wearing their contacts. So if you're a person who has dark eyes and you want to wear something more bright like a blue, and you want to see how it looks, because sometimes contacts don't look the same on a dark eye than it would a light eye. So it's always good to see what other customers say about the contacts. I'm going to start with the crystal gray. I don't know what it is. They don't fit, I guess. Okay, so it took a while for my eyes to get adjusted. They're still not perfect. I can kind of see the gray at the bottom in my eyes. Just looking out, I can see it. So it's not a perfect fit, but this is what the color looks like if you want to see what it looks like on brown eyes. So this is the color crystal gray. It is definitely crystal. It's very piercing. So if you like these, definitely try these out. Let me know what you think. The next one I'm gonna try is Neela Niyala. It's a brown color. It looks like a sienna type of brown, so we'll see how this looks. It feels a little better than the gray, but they still feel kind of big. All right, so the next color I have is NEALA Green. Ooh, okay, these are good. The fit feels a lot better with these than the other two. I don't even want to take them out now that they fit. So the last pair are in a different package. All of the ones that I showed you before were in the Just4Kira packaging. These are in the Himora packaging. I got the color ASA Brown. Ooh, I really like the fit of the Himora contacts. Wow, it doesn't even feel like I have contacts in. So this brown very much blends with my natural brown eye color. So it's not too in your face, it's very subtle. I really like that. It's just a nice subtle brown. Okay, so oh my god, I love these. These for some reason feel a lot different than the others. It could be because the brand name is different. And so I really like how these feel. They definitely feel like the AccuView Oasis ones that I wear that are very breathable. The other contacts are breathable as well, but those don't seem to have that custom fit. The other contacts that I wore seemed a bit bigger in diameter. They say they're 14 millimeter, but it just seems like they're just a tad bit bigger than 14. But overall, these have been the best feeling contacts. So I would definitely go with the ASA Brown first. Second, I would go with the NEALA Greens. And then third, I would definitely choose the NEALA Browns. Fourth would be the Crystal Gray. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Which color is your favorite on me? Do you have any hesitancy on colors, or are you all out with it when it comes to choosing whatever color you want? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Peace.